I have a side quest for you. The monarch couldn't help but notice that you just assumed a comfortable position. For this quest, you are to stop scrolling immediately and get a full 8 hours of sleep. You have been selected because the High Council has classified you under the category of EPGB. The punishment for this crime is to take a small sleep. Step 1. You are to inform your magic mirror to wake you again in 8 hours and 15 minutes. Step 2. You are to set your magic mirror down, with the bright side facing the floor, such that no light is visible. Step 3. Set your head upon thy pillow, and think of something boring, like one of the minstrel songs. When complete, you must return and report on how good your snooze was on a scale from 1 to 10. If you succeed, you shall be rewarded with +2 health points and the well-rested status effect. As an added bonus, if you do this consistently, you'll be rewarded with a generally better quality of life.